Welcome back. Firstly, thank you so much to all my subscribers for your support and the wonderful comments I've been receiving. If you haven't considered it, hit that subscribe button below. So a few days ago I took a vote asking about which laptop I should get, and the Lenovo Legion stood out for me because it was a mix of reliability, performance and price. So I ended up going with the Ryzen 7 5800H processor, only 8GB of RAM, 512GB of storage, and the Nvidia 3060 RTX with 6GB of video RAM. That's claimed to have about 7 hours of battery life, and the screen's full HD 120Hz, which would be good for gaming. I was so excited to receive it in the post. I did notice straight away that the box was really heavy. So anyway, I opened it up, found an Apple style Lenovo sticker, which I'm never going to use. Then I decided I needed to pull the laptop out, and I had to do this carefully. And boy was it heavy. So first impressions obviously are it was heavy. It was thinner than I expected. A nice design, if a little plain. That means obviously if I wanted to take it out, it won't look as valuable as say a MacBook, but anyone with a keen eye for laptops will notice that it is a bit more special. It's quite heavy to balance about, so I know there's no way I'll be able to constantly move it about the house, so it's going to stay on the table. The vent holes at the bottom are massive, which is good, and they've got like a dust filter on the back, so to prevent any big debris from going in. I did try showing it under the camera as best as I could. Now it's meant to open with one hand, and I needed two, so I don't know, maybe it was a bit stiff. And it's great the screen goes all the way back. So I got my microfiber cloth and started wiping it before completing the rest of the unboxing. Now the power brick was rated at 300 watts and it's really heavy and really big. I know I keep saying this, but this laptop is heavy, it's not really portable. You can move it about, but you don't want to do it frequently. So I switched it on and noticed the fan's just kicking in. Now they eventually switch off, and after I installed the rest of the updates, I did notice that issue was kind of gone. But on Reddit there's tons of posts about Lenovo Legions having this issue, particularly when it first released, but thankfully I feel this issue has gone away. I did notice a bit of backlight bleed, which is disappointing for a laptop for this price, but then again they have to make a concession somewhere. The laptop still has an IPS screen rated at 120Hz. Trackpad is bang average. I'm going to use a Bluetooth mouse, there's nothing else to add to that. The keyboard is simply awesome. Lenovo's keyboards are great. The higher up models that you go. I found this one more comfortable than the MacBook Air M1s. So that's my unboxing of the Lenovo Legion 15-inch laptop. I'm going to be doing a RAM and SSD upgrade later on. Let me know what you think in comments below as usual. Like and subscribe, and until next time.